this is rock bottom.
Don't mind if I do, Mr. Boulder.
Busy day?
Huh? Oh, I sat here my whole shift. Eggman never showed, and you know why?
He wasn't invited to the tea party?
No,